there, y'all. I'm Sally. We're getting wrapped up for today's event, the Grand Easter egg. Oh, yeah. And well, you guys and gals, I'm talking to you, Bertha, can talk to me some more in a while. Bye-bye, y'all. Hey, I'm Dave. And welcome to the Kitchen Easter Show. Now, I'm in a bad mood because Sally Ann is making me do all kinds of stuff that don't have anything to do with Easter. Well, now, I'm going to show you these awesome different types of bags. No, don't be that way. It'll be fun. Now, these eggs are so cool. There's so many. Now, this white egg may look the same as this white egg, but they're different. Also, look at these. This egg is called a mononiacin sodium calorific sulfate egg, and these are good to help you build up stuff. Well, I gotta go now. Bye-bye.
Hello, my name is Hannah, and today I'm going to show you this new food we got at the store. Now this is Spam, or as I like to call it, cholesterol in a can. Now, let's read some nutrition facts. 95.32% cholesterol. Oh my. Now, also, let's
random TFT mayonnaise. Ooh.
Well, that's strange. Now today, we're going to have some more Easter fun. But first, here's Easter Dang Fun with Greg.
Hey, I'm Greg Mikowski from Cincinnati, Ohio, here with my girlfriend, Janine. And we're dyeing eggs. Now, I have 9 different colors of dye.
Oh,
and,
Greg, you're so good at math.
okay. Now, I have blue dye, and green dye, and orange dye. Crunchy dye, what are you doing here? I mean, it's one of the only times I'll ever get to do anything on this dang glam college show, so you don't have to come on here and ruin my chances, so please leave. Oh, will you just stop?
Ooh, Greg, I love a hot man that speaks his mind.
Oh, Janine, stop.
Ooh, Matthew Bear.
Oh, you're so wonderful.
What do you mean?
Well, you're kind of Freddy.
We'll be right back after the break.
You need
Soft soap.
non-stick antibiotic materials.
So why use Dye, I mean the leading brand, when you could use soft soap?
Wow, they're really clean and non-stick, unlike the leading brand.